Hai, saya Engku Sulwani. Terima kasih Rachel. You telah ajar saya daripada bawah sampai ke atas. Saya dah confident bercakap dalam video. Thank you Rachel. Muah.
Hello, my name is Malcolm Isaac Fernandez. I've attended this course to learn how to give a better delivery, to present my ideas better to other people, and of course for the audience to understand more of what I'm supposed to deliver. I'm very grateful to Miss Rachel for helping me and helping all of us throughout these 2 days. And I really did learn a lot from her and how to communicate better with other people. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Keons, and I attended Rachel's training in KS Training Center approximately about 10 months ago. So it helped me to kickstart my journey as a speaker, which I always wanted to learn how to conquer the fear of public speaking. They said the biggest fear in life is not the fear of death, but the fear of public speaking. So I took the initiative to actually challenge that, but of course with the right education. So that's why I came to this training. Rachel provided me a lot of essential basic knowledge to kickstart the basics of public speaking. And from there on, I went on to learn further from books and stuff like that. So, but the fundamental and the basics was given by Rachel, the trainer. So yeah, to any one of you who wanted to kickstart to learn the fundamental basics of public speaking, I think in KS Training Center is one of the best choice, I would say, because price is reasonably good. Find out for yourself.